Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're just gonna be doing a full day of eating. You know what I'm saying? Showing y'all all my meals for today, what I eat, how I get skinty. No, I'm not skinty, and I'll never be skinty. Okay? I don't want to be skinty. I just want to be slim, thick. Okay. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating today because I like watching these videos, so why not do it myself? You know what I mean? Shouldn't me? But first I am going to go get my car serviced because I hit 20,000 miles, so I gotta go get it serviced. I need to go get my inspection sticker thingy-majig, and oh, I need to put on sneakers because I thought my toes was acceptable, but baby, we need a pedicure, and we're not about to cure this petty today. So before I go and get my car serviced, I'm gonna go to Starbucks and I'm gonna just get some coffee so that way I can be productive today because I don't need to be lazy. Like, we can't be lazy today. Today is one of my off days from the gym, so I usually go to the gym Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's my schedule. Look, PSA, okay? If you want to achieve your goals, if you want to, you know, say you want to work out, right? Make it, I don't want to say make it like a job, but like set it, we're going to talk about this later. But yes, I'm about to leave the house and do that. And I also want to go to Sephora so I can get the new fancy gloss bomb, because y'all know I love me some fancy beauty glass bomb, okay? And I have gift cards, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go. We getting snatched. Fupa still popping, but that's okay. Hey, that's okay. Look, y'all, I'm used to looking at myself and my back and my stomach are poking as far out as my ass, so I'm not used to curvature in my body, okay? The little curvature I see, I get excited. I'm like, okay, let me keep going to the gym. Let me keep eating right, because your girl, whoa, girl, you getting a little snatched up, your booty poking out, girl. But yeah, all right. But what I was saying was, like, say you want to get into working out, right? You're like, I really want to go to the gym. Like, I really do. Just schedule it out almost like a work schedule. Just like you get a work schedule and they're like, okay, you work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 10 to 4, right? Okay, cool. So you could schedule out the gym like, okay, I get off at 4. I can get to the gym at 6 and I can stay till 7. So that way, you know, okay, on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you're going to be at the gym from 6 to 7, and you can't do anything else then but be at the gym. That's how I found I was able to be consistent and, like, really, you know, get shit done at the gym. I knew I had an hour. Like, I know I'm going to be there for an hour. Like, that's my thing. Like, I'm only going to the gym for an hour. I can't, because if I stay at the gym longer than, like, an hour, hour and a half, I'm just going to be bullshitting at that point, and it's not going to be useful. So I have an hour. Let me work this hour and then go on about my day. And it's really not that much. Like, it's really not that hard. You sit on the couch for 4 hours a day, but you can't go to the gym for 1 hour. Oh, okay. Okay. Hi, can I get a venti iced coffee with 12 pumps of sugar-free classic syrup?
I'm sorry, you said a venti iced coffee with 12 pumps of the sugar-free, what is it?
Classic syrup.
Oh, just regular classic?
Yes.
They don't carry, I thought you said sugar-free.
Oh, y'all don't have sugar-free?
Not on the classic. Classic is just regular white sugar.
Okay, well, can I get sugar-free vanilla then? Well, shit, I don't know. Shit, girl, I was trying to be fancy. All right, y'all, this is what I got. Black coffee with sugar-free syrup. Yummy. It's actually really good. All right, y'all, it's 3:49 right now. I don't know what time I got here, but it was like right around 2. And that took so long for them to do not everything I needed them to do. But I haven't eaten yet. I'm not really hungry. I'm still sipping on this coffee. But I'm about to go to Sephora, and then I'm going to go home, and then I'm going to eat. Yeah, so we about to go to Sephora and get this lip gloss, and then I'm going to go home. Wait, actually, I'm not gonna go home. I'm gonna go to Ulta. Also, I have a spending problem when it comes to makeup. I just cannot, like, resist. But there's, like, this palette that I saw someone use, and I like it, and you know. Alright, y'all, so I just got home. It's, like, 5:30 right now. I still haven't eaten. I'm still high off of coffee. Like, oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. So I'm gonna finally make me something to eat. I've been fasting for 18 hours, so I didn't think I was gonna make it through my 18 hours of fasting, but I actually did. So now I'm gonna make me something to eat, and I don't know what I'm gonna eat, so I'm gonna go rummage through the fridge really quickly, and then once I figure it out, I will come back. Actually, I kind of do know what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna make a taco salad. I made this yesterday. It was so good. Okay, so good. So I think I'm gonna make that again. I am wired. Okay, like wired. I'm gonna make this salad. I'm gonna start editing this video so I can put it up. Okay, so I have all my ingredients out for my taco salad. I'm just gonna run through it really quickly. It looks like a lot. It is a lot, but I haven't eaten today, so it's probably gonna be like a 800 calorie salad, because that's what it was yesterday. Okay, just get into, oh my gosh, why am I so wide? Okay, first things first is ground turkey with taco seasoning. This is, I know this looks disgusting, but I don't have an issue, honestly, with brown avocado as long as it tastes good. So if you just mix it up, it's going to turn green. Then I have this, cilantro like type dressing that I made yesterday, which was so good. I'll put the ingredients on the screen right now so y'all can, you know, if you want to make this, you just put everything in a blender, blend it up, boom. Then I have this cheese sauce that's actually my mom's. It's from Taco Bell, but I'm gonna eat it. Lettuce, sour cream, a tomato, some onion, cheese, and then I'm going to take one of these tortillas, which are 4 net carbs, and how many? 13 carbs, 9 fiber. So I take one of these, cut it up into chips, and then just fry it up, and then I have that with my salad. So let's make the salad, okay? Alrighty, so this is what my first meal is looking like. I have shredded cheese, Taco Bell queso. This is my cilantro dressing, salsa verde, sour cream, tomatoes, onions. My guacamole is under here with more salsa verde on top because, yeah, ground turkey and my homemade chips. And then, just to like spice it up, I'm gonna put some Valentina salsa picante on top, and that's gonna be my first meal. All right, y'all. So I just ate like 3.5 hours ago, so I'm not too hungry, but I want to start my fast soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat so that way I don't get hungry. But I'm basically just gonna be making a cheese quesadilla. So yeah, I'll show y'all how I do that. All right, so I sprayed my pan with some nonstick spray or some cooking spray, and then I'm gonna take a tortilla. This one is ripped in half. Oh, I think I gave that to Bo. I'm gonna take a full tortilla and pop it in the pan. Right, so I like to measure everything out, so I don't know. It just helps me stay on track. So I'm gonna pop this on the scale, and I'm just gonna use this meat. It's probably like an ounce of meat. I'm gonna put a little bit of meat, so yeah. So it's more like 2.65 ounces. Okay, I'm gonna measure out an ounce of cheese in this container. So that's 1 ounce, and I'm just gonna pop that right on top of there. So I'm adding this Taco Bell sauce. I just love Taco Bell. I don't know what it is, because I'm not a fast food person, but I love Taco Bell. Then after I do that, I'm gonna grab a spatula. I'm gonna flip this on top and close it up. And start pressing it down. Press, press, press. Voila. I'm just gonna wait for it to finish. I'm gonna just keep flipping it till it's like to my desired crispiness. So I only have 2 carbs left in the day, so I can't have my Halo Top, but I am going to have the sugar-free whipped cream, which is from Land of Lakes, the brand Land of Lakes, and I'm going to measure out 2 ounces, which is 200 calories. Alright, there we go, and then I'm going to pop this in the freezer for after I'm done with my quesadilla. Alright, so I paired it with an ounce of sour cream, and I actually watered down my sour cream so that it'll be like thinner like Chipotle's. But I don't know if that still means, you know, it's 60 calories for the 2 tablespoons, but we're just gonna track it as that. So here is my last meal aside from the whipped cream, and probably gonna have it with some Taco Bell hot sauce because look, okay, we stand, okay, give me a little bit of mild, a little bit of fire, call it a day. And if you are a juice lover like me, I highly recommend the Minute Maid light juices. They're 15 calories and they have like 3 to 4 carbs in them. So this is for 8 ounces. So this is what I'm going to use my last couple of carbs for, because aside from the coffee, I've been drinking water all day. So I'm going to treat myself, and it's only 15 calories. And yeah, so this one is super good. This is the mango passion, and also I like the pink lemonade, the fruit punch, and there's like a berry something one. They're all good, so definitely recommend this. And I also like to add water when I drink it because it's super like sweet and concentrated to me, and I also get more when I add water to it. So yeah, little trick. Yummy. It's like cold now, it's a little bit frozen, and it's just like, I don't know, I like it, okay? I like it. You're gonna have to